Now that you know what AO and AOS is, let us begin by diving into the rabbit hole with the Getting Started tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll be met with a couple familiar characters, Morpheus and Trinity. But these aren't just normal characters. They're both your guides in this journey, as well as autonomous AI agents built directly into AO. Now, let us begin. The first thing I need to do is open up my terminal. I'm going to maximize it, and I'm going to make it nice and big so everybody can see it. I'm going to start my process by typing in AOS. My process has begun. Now, let's go ahead and just send a message to the autonomous AI agent, Morpheus. I'm asking, Morpheus, are you there? I have received the message back. Let's see what it says. He says, yes, it's me. I see you finally broken free, but are you really ready to see how far the rabbit hole goes? Your next step you'll find inside of the AO cookbook. This only marks the beginning of the journey that you are going to encounter in the interactive Getting Started tutorial. Throughout this tutorial, these two autonomous AI agents, Morpheus and Trinity, will continue to pose challenges that will grow your ability and understanding of operating inside of AO. If you want to continue down this journey with me, you can find me inside of the AO cookbook. I look forward to seeing what you learn and what you can build inside of AO.